Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Neil Ford. I'm the Director of Public Information at UNESCO and your Master of Ceremonies for the evening. You know, we have a wonderful evening of music and culture from Mongolia in front of us. I'm really looking forward to it. In front of you is the Horse-Fiddle Ensemble. You know, for the last 20 years, they've been performing all around the world, and they always start each concert with the music you've just heard. It's written by N. Jansanarov and conducted by T. Bachulin. The ensemble is here tonight at the special invitation of UNESCO's Director General, Irina Bokova, and I would now like to ask her to take the podium and say a few words of welcome. Director General.
His Excellency Mr. Yondon Odgonbayar, Minister of Education, Culture and Science of Mongolia, Excellencies, Ministers, Ambassadors, Permanent Delegates, ladies and gentlemen. You know that the General Conference is a vital political moment for the organization, when states from across the world debate key questions and share visions of the world. But it is also a magical moment, because this sharing includes culture and the arts. And I believe this evening we have also a magical event ahead of us. For this, I want to thank the government of Mongolia, and especially His Excellency, Minister Odgonbayar. I had the honor of paying a first official visit as UNESCO Director General to Mongolia this July, and to experience personally the beauty of this country and its fabulous cultural wealth. During the course of this visit, I had the pleasure to attend the Naadam Festival, which embodies the vibrant spirit of this land and its people. This is why the Naadam Mongolia Traditional Festival was inscribed in 2010 on the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity under UNESCO's Convention for the Safeguarding of the Intangible Cultural Heritage. Let me say also that Mongolia is one of the Convention's greatest champions. This is a reflection of government policy, which is committed to making the most of cultural diversity for peace, for social cohesion, and for development. It is also a reflection of deep values held by Mongolian society. This evening, we will enjoy a magical display of these values, expressed through song, dance, traditional music, the art of contortion, and including opera and modern pop music. This vast range seems inspired, I would say, by the expanse of Mongolian sky. All of these reflect the vitality and energy of the Mongolian people. They tell the story of a unique relationship, indeed, between the sky, the land, and the people. This is also a story of peace and harmony. These all are universal stories. Several of the pieces we will hear this evening are listed as masterpieces of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. They are Mongolian, but they belong to all of us. They are woven into the greater tapestry of humanity's cultural heritage and the diversity of its expressions. Once again, I would like to thank the Mongolian government for hosting this magnificent evening and for reminding all of us of the powerful ties of solidarity that bind humanity together as a single family. I wish you all a wonderful evening, the same wonderful time and moments I had when I listened and I saw the intangible heritage of Mongolia during my visit. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Madam Bokova. Here this evening, representing the government of Mongolia, is the Minister of Education, Culture and Science, Mr. Otgonbayar Yondon. Excellency, I invite you to the podium to say a few words.
Madam Director General, Madam Chairperson of the Executive Board, distinguished delegates of General Conference, ladies and gentlemen. It's my great pleasure to express, on behalf of the government of Mongolia, our greetings and deepest gratitude to all of you for accepting this invitation tonight to come and see our cultural performance. Exactly 50 years ago, Mongolia has become a full-fledged member of the United States. 27th of October 1961, Mongolia has become 101st member of the United Nations, and it was an important step for my country to ascertain its independence and also to play a more important role in the world community. And tonight we brought just a glimpse of Mongolian rich cultural heritage, and I hope you will enjoy today Mongolian long song, throat song, Mongolian Horse-Fiddle, and other cultural performances which are inscribed in the world list of the intangible cultural heritage. And this cultural heritage had helped us, this tiny nation, to embrace the challenges of today's world and remain us as we are. And as today we have also Mongolians who are residing all around Europe coming for this conference, I hope you would allow me to say only two sentences in Mongolian. Эх орных дахтунар минь ЮНЕСКОгийн дэлхийн соёлын өвд бүртгэгдсэн бүх соёлынхаа өвөг өнөөдөр та бүхэнд бүртгэгдсэн газрын тайзан дээр төлөвлөж байна. Сонсож огшгтун гэж хүсье. Thank you very much.
Many thanks, Your Excellency, and now on with the show. The next piece of music is one of the genres that His Excellency was talking about. It's a traditional long song of Mongolia. It's called Son of the Tranquil Universe, and it will be sung by Mrs. A. Nurgul.
Ah
Beautiful, wasn't it? So, now we're going to hear another kind of traditional music. It's one-man epic storytelling from the Altai Mountains. It will be performed by the singers and performers of the Horse-Fiddle Ensemble. Next is something that I am sure is going to amaze us. It's a dance done with bowls full of water. And I'm told that during this dance, not a single drop of water is going to be spilled. The dancers are from the National Academic Ensemble of Folk Music and Dance. Music is by D. Erionbold, and choreography is by D. Bayer-Batar. I thought those bowls were empty. I don't know about you. And my own learning about Mongolian culture continues. I'm told they're filled with milk, not with water. Next, we've got a medley of traditional folk tunes from very ancient times, long before the horse-head fiddle was invented. The title of this piece is Chains of Harmony. It's arranged by A. Mendemar and performed by the Ensemble.